Hello children, Corona is spreading throughout the world. Stay safe. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Stay 6 feet away from others. Sanitize your hands whenever you cannot wash your hands. Disinfect the surfaces frequently. Isolate yourself if you are affected from corona. Dear parents, even though you are vaccinated, follow the precautionary measures. Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In today's language class, we shall work with the language practice book. In the language practice book, open page number 4, where we have an activity to trace and read the words. Here we have few CVC words which you have already learnt in M2 class. Once again, I'll help you out to read the words, children. You have to trace them by uttering the sounds of each and every letter. Dear parents, kindly help your child to read the words. The words given are bag, bag, jam, jam, tan, tan, and map, map. Here we have letter A or sound A as the middle sound. Ed, red, egg, leg, ten, and pet. In this set of words, we have vowel E as the middle sound or the sound A as the middle sound. Bib, lid, pig, pig, and fin. In this set of words, we have letter I or vowel I as the middle sound, or we can also say the sound E we have here as the middle sound. In the next row, pod, rob, log, and ox, fox. Here we have letter O as the middle sound, or we can say O as the middle sound. In the last row, jug, cup, mud, and bus. Here we have sound A as the middle sound or the vowel U as the middle sound. Dear parents, kindly help your child to trace these words and also to read them while tracing with the help of sounds. After completing this, we have one more activity to circle the contained sound in the pictures given below. In the M2 class, your child has already learnt the blends, the consonant blends. Once again, I am going to help you out here. Letter P and H makes F sound. T and H makes th. T and H makes th. W. P and H makes f. Q and U makes qua sound. Here, once again, they are repeated. The blends are one which give rise to a new sound when two alphabets or two sounds blend together. We have to name the picture here. Dear parents, kindly help your child to name the pictures and recognize the blends which has been involved in the word. Here it is the picture of teeth. When I say teeth, we can listen the blend th here as the ending sound. Thorn, thorn, th as the beginning sound. Question, question. Here we have qua as the beginning sound. Dolphin, dolphin. In the word dolphin, we can hear f sound. Whisk, whisk. W as the beginning sound. So I am going to circle it. Wheel. W-E-L. Wheel. W as the beginning sound. After completing this, move to page number 5, where we have a similar activity to trace and read the words. I'll read the words for you children. You have to trace them, and also you should read the words with the help of sounds while tracing. The given words are at, fat, pan, pan, ad, sad, and cab. Eb, web. Gem, gem. Bed, bed, and men. Zip, zip. Six. Pit, and in, win. Pot, top, sun, and toy. Cub, bun, pup, and gum. Kindly help your children to trace and read the words, and after this we have a similar activity to trace the contained sound in the pictures given below. This activity is similar as we did in the page number 4. This is foil. Foil. Oi is a middle sound here. Toy. We found oi here. House. We can listen to the ow sound here. Crown. Ow is the sound which we can listen here. Sauce. This is the blend which we can get here. And the last picture is prawn. Prawn. Here we have a wrong blend. We have to make it as pr. So circle this, dear parents. Kindly help your child to write the blend pr here, and also help your child to circle it. Identify and circle it. Help your child to complete the given activities in page number 4 and 5.